Over the past 20 years, I've had extensive experience in working with newborn babies and toddlers and in receiving a lot of referrals from doctors and, of course, parents alike. One of the main reasons I get referrals for baby massage is because a baby is suffering from gas or colic. Now, every baby is different, so if this is your first baby or your fourth baby, you can't count on having the same experience. And there are many different reasons why babies suffer from gas and colic. I'd like to take a quick minute to explain to you one of the main reasons why children can struggle with gas. There are little finger-like projections inside the intestine called cilia, and they're supposed to move in a wave-like pattern called peristalsis, which helps to move the gas and fecal matter through the intestine. Now, in newborn babies like Natalie, this movement is often very sluggish. So you can set your watch. You feed your baby, whether it's breast milk or bottle fed, all day long, and most of the time you can set your watch at 7 or 8 o'clock at night, the baby is screaming with gas pain. The reason being, you've fed them all day long, that finger-like movement, that peristaltic movement is sluggish, and the baby can't move gas through, so it builds up throughout the day, and the night is the worst time. The good news is, the baby massage program is a parent empowering tool that can help to decrease the gas and colic in your baby by mechanically moving gas through the intestine. So that's the good news. Now, this is not bad news, but as a parent, and I am a mom, I have to tell you, what you're about to see, the pressure that you need to use to be therapeutically effective, I always have to calm the parents first. You will not harm your baby. In fact, research has shown that parents that don't use this amount of pressure don't see the therapeutic effect that we need. In a study that was done at the Jackson Medical Center at University of Miami with Dr. Tiffany Field, it was actually shown that a massage done 3 times a day for a 2-week period consistently, without parents that were bailing because their babies started to cry, there was an 80% eradication of colic. Gone. Colic was gone in 80% of the kids. You can help your baby do this. You can do this. It's in your hands, but you must be consistent. You must use deep pressure. I'm about to show that. 3 things to look for. You need to see an indentation in the baby's skin. You can see how I'm moving in. You'll see a blanching or a whitening of the skin, which is just a decrease in blood flow. And the most important sign is pay attention to your baby's cues. When you do, hear that bearing down reflex that Natalie just gave us, that like they're bearing down to go to the bathroom? When you're using that amount of pressure is when you're going to see the most results. Clearly, you're not hurting your baby, but when you do this, you will see the results. I want to just show you one stroke to get you started, and it's called water wheel. Very effective in helping to move the digestive system. You're going to start at the belly button and working from the belly button and below. A paddle stroke towards you. Picture sitting on a beach stroking sand. You want to put mechanical pressure on that low belly so that you can help to move that fecal matter through the intestine. And it looks like this. Water wheel. Water wheel, water wheel. You heard the bearing down reflex. If you get 2 to 3 repetitions done with deep pressure, it will be very effective, very therapeutic, and as you can see, the baby will calm right away. Now, another thing to consider is mom's diet, especially if they are nursing. Now, of course, food does have an impact on our babies. Every baby is different, but you might want to consider, are you eating spicy foods or really gaseous foods like broccolis? Although they are good for you, you may want to take a look at the pattern and the impact it's having on your baby. So stay tuned for more work on the abdomen. Get started with the water wheel, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us some information at wallisforwellness.com or watch us on Wow Living Live TV. Thank you.